Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming device model and Android version because partitions and tools differ. This ensures safety. Once you back up data to cloud or PC, make room for operations that can wipe storage. Next, insert a high-quality 16 GB or larger micro SD or connect a USB drive via OTG and verify ADB/fastboot on your PC. Now enable developer options and USB debugging. You'll need them to issue commands and to sideload tools for expansion. Once in recovery or fastboot, mount partitions and use ADB shell commands to inspect existing layouts. You do this so tools don't overwrite essential partitions. If you choose adoptable storage, format the card as internal so Android treats it as part of /data. Make sure the card is fast and encrypted. Alternatively, create a separate partition and move large folders. Use F2FS or ext4 where supported for performance, and run integrity checks after formatting to prevent corruption. You finish by migrating large app data and media, move commonly large folders like DSIM and downloads to the expanded area, and update app storage settings. Once done, reboot and run a quick benchmark or file transfer test to confirm speed and available space. If apps misbehave, clear caches, reassign storage locations, or reinstall affected apps. Troubleshooting tip: if mounting fails, check dmesk/logcat for errors. Reformat the card on a PC, or restore your backup and
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.